Hey y'all, I'm Angel and I have had my implants for about 10 months now. And so I wanted to share a few good things with you all and a couple downsides that you may not be aware of. And one of those is the price. And so we're going to get to that just a little bit later. So I will start with the first downside for me. It actually was something really I wasn't expecting. I had a little bit of dysmorphia. I was not expecting to A, not recognize myself, and B, I had a list before and now I don't. So it took me a little while to get used to the new me and get used to the way that I talk now. So that is something I didn't expect. It actually brought me to tears a couple times, but after a while I was able to adjust from that, and that was amazing. So one of the good things about it, and this is actually the reason I got it done, believe it or not, I actually tried to eat a piece of Popeye's chicken and I broke a tooth. I started to cry and I was just like, Lord, I need you to fix it. I need you to fix it. And I immediately opened Facebook. I don't know why, in the middle of my tears. And there was a Nuvia ad. And I took that chance. I said, okay, this is what you're showing me. And I did it. And I called. They were amazing. They were kind. From that point on, I knew this is where I needed to be, but it was mainly for my health. It was for me to be able to be confident again, to be able to speak with confidence, and to love who I was. I did love myself, but I needed to love myself more. And that was the best thing for me. That is why I got it done, and for my family. The second bad thing with Nuvia, there is a couple things with the healing. So there is a gap sometimes. I don't have one, but in the beginning, during my healing stage, there was a slight gap, and I actually got some food stuck under there. It was the most difficult thing. There was a lot of pressure. It actually terrified me a little bit, but I contacted my Nuvia office. They let me come in. They were able to flush me out, get me situated. So they were there. They were supportive of me. And even though I had a little panic moment and it terrified me to get food trapped under there, they immediately helped me and they immediately fixed it for me. And so it was a little bit of a terrifying thing, but they fixed it. So the second amazing thing is you do get your teeth within 24 hours. And that might sound surprising to you. It was surprising to me, but you actually do. You go in, you have your consultation, you get your smile design. And once they have everything situated for you, you go in, you have your surgery. 24 hours later, you do come back and you get your teeth. You all, it blew my mind. I did not expect that. I didn't think it was real. I did research for weeks. And it was actually legit. I got my smile in 24 hours. And it is, look, it's beautiful. Listen, I was so excited. And then the third thing, let's talk about it. It was a little difficult trying to do research and not being able to get a clear price. I know a lot of you have probably done your own research. You couldn't find a price. It's so vague. And there's a reason for that. Price is different for every person, but there is a cost guide and it will help you better understand what your options are, ways to finance, other ways that you can get this done for yourself. But the one great thing about it is you can get financing. I did do financing and it is amazing. They will help you. So my third great thing about Nuvia, there's quite a few actually. The people. From start to finish, my phone call, going into the office, the reception desk, the nurses, the techs, the doctors, from beginning to end, it was amazing. But also being able to eat. I had peanuts for the first time, you all, in 12 years. I ate an apple for the first time in 10 years. That is amazing for me. It is the most beautiful experience. It's unlike anything I've ever had. Nuvia truly changed my life. And so that is the number 3 best thing for me. I recommend, if you're just not sure, check it out. So here's why I wanted to do this video. If you're like me and you're going through a situation where you're feeling less confident, you're not able to eat, you're having health issues because of your dental issues, I really encourage you to go out and do your research. It doesn't have to be Nuvia. We would like it to be Nuvia, but do your research. This is not just about me. It's not about everyone else. It's so that we can help other people. And I want to encourage you all. When I was on the fence, there were people there to encourage me, to give me insight, to give me pointers, and just tell me what was good or what wasn't good and help me to make that decision. So I wanted to be able to do that for you all as well. It's kind of a gift that keeps on giving. So I hope that this video has been helpful to you all.